Tickets are now available for the highly anticipated Vybz Kartel Freedom Street concert at the National Stadium. Greetings and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari Soldier. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Ladies and gentlemen, if it's your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, help me build up the Rastaman panel, the highly anticipated return of the dancehall king to the stage has been realized as the wait is over for the fans of the dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel, as the artist announced on Friday. The ticket price for his highly anticipated Freedom Street concert. The event will mark his first live performance in about 14 years. Is set to take place December 31st at National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. The artist shared on Instagram page on Friday that tickets will go on sale at 3 a.m. on Saturday, with price ranging from $125 US to $4,000 US. The concert offers a range of ticket tiers designed for every fan. A breakdown of tier 1 ticket price shows bleachers are at $125 US, approximately 19,700 Jamaican, and offer a lively experience with seats located around the venue. Patrons who choose that packet will have access to restroom. Grandstand seats are priced at $300 US, approximately 47,400. The patrons will have an elevated view. There will be in close proximity to bars, food court, and restroom. The infield area located behind the center stage is available for only $400 US, ladies and gentlemen, and offers a great view of the stage and grass standing area close to the bar and food court and restroom. Cycle track pond located parallel to the running track are available for only 10,000 US, approximately 1.5 million Jamaican. This area offers a great view of the stage and will entitle patrons to 8 tickets, as well as bottle package including of 6 premium bottles, a hostel of security, and these pods are also situated close to the front where the food court and bar restroom will be. The center stage area is going for only 1,500 US, approximately 237,000 Jamaican dollars, and will offer what the artist dubbed as the ultimate cartel experience. It is located closest to the stage and behind the media area. These patrons will have easy entry to the area and exit from the venue, while the area is drink inclusive and close proximity to the bar and the restroom. Kartel, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, urged his fans to purchase their tickets early due to the limited number and availability. According to the Fever DJ, Freedom Street is more than a name. It's a statement, a movement, and a declaration that the Worl Boss is here returning for his throne. But already some of the fans appear to be complaining about the cost of the ticket price, stating that they were simply too expensive. Just when I thought I was a working class citizen, these ticket prices have humbled me richly, a man commented on Kartel Instagram page. So say me fi tell me landlord. I want me fi tell me landlord. A woman asks jokingly, but a woman disagree with the complaint, saying instead that Kartel is the Michael Jackson of the Caribbean. These are good prices, shared a woman. A year me a save fi go at this year concert because me know say the day did I come. So me get ready. Add a male Instagrammer. Me have to find even the bleaching money because this nah miss me. People, the world boss is back for his throne. Straight out of the mouth of the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel. Adidja Palmer, of course, gonna have some friends on his concert, but the people them can't wait for the fever DJ. The gal them ready for dash out, and the youth them, the Gaza fans them, ready for roll out. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment on this one. Let me know if you think that the artist known as Vybz Kartel, real name Adidja Palmer, is worth waiting for $150 US to $4,000 US per ticket. National Stadium turn up 31st of December, New Year's Eve. The man said the name of the concert is Freedom Street. It's not just a saying. It's not just a name. The man said it is a movement. People say they must save over a year now. Wonder if a propaganda them are propagate. But I'm just reporting live here, ladies and gentlemen, that Vybz Kartel has announced that the tickets are now on sale. Them say fi run to the box office. Go online fi try to buy the ticket for now because of the limited availability. People are flying from England. People are flying from America. People are flying from Canada. People are flying from Europe. Imagine all Africans are flying for the World Boss. The Teacha said he returned for his crown, ready to be rethroned. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Will you be at the World Boss concert on December 31st, 2024? Let me know. Freedom Street. The youth them say them have to get the money. If them have to bleach, them have to reach. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. More life, more joy, and more nappiness. Stay blessed.
Deep Roots TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool on Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops?
Cool on